The Sun, our solar system's powerhouse, holds an astounding 99.86% of the solar system's total mass. This means that all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined make up just a tiny fraction. It's fascinating to think about the Sun's immense influence on everything around it. Speaking of extremes, Mercury experiences some of the most dramatic temperature shifts. During the day, it can heat up to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, but once the sun sets, temperatures plummet to a frigid 290 degrees Fahrenheit, 179 degrees Celsius. This is because Mercury has virtually no atmosphere to retain heat. Next up, Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, rotates in the opposite direction to most planets. This retrograde rotation means that on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Venus also has the hottest surface temperatures in the solar system, averaging around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, due to its thick, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. Moving on to Earth, the only known planet with liquid water on its surface. Water covers about 71% of our planet, creating the perfect conditions for life as we know it. Earth's magnetic field, generated by its iron core, protects us from harmful solar radiation and helps make our planet habitable. Meanwhile, Mars, our red neighbor, boasts the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. This colossal shield volcano stands about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars also has the largest canyon, Val Marineris, which stretches over 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, across its surface. Let's turn our attention to Jupiter. The largest planet has the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that's been raging for at least 400 years. It's so enormous that our entire Earth could fit inside it. Jupiter's immense size and rapid rotation also create the strongest magnetic field in the solar system, 14 times stronger than Earth's. On to Saturn, famous for its stunning rings, is also the least dense planet. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float on water. Saturn's rings are made mostly of ice and rock, ranging from tiny grains to chunks as large as houses. It also has more than 80 moons, with Titan being larger than the planet Mercury. As we move along to Uranus, with its distinctive blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere, rotates on its side. Its axial tilt of about 98 degrees means that its poles are where most other planets have their equators, leading to extreme seasonal variations. This unique tilt causes Uranus to have very unusual weather patterns. Next up, Neptune, the outermost planet, has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. These winds are faster than the speed of sound, creating massive storms and dark spots similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune also has a moon, Triton, which orbits in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation, suggesting it may have been captured by Neptune's gravity. Beyond Neptune lies Pluto, a dwarf planet that, despite its demotion from full planetary status, has a heart-shaped region known as Tombau Regio. This area, made of nitrogen ice, is one of the most recognizable features on Pluto. Interestingly, Pluto has 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest, nearly half the size of Pluto itself. Finally, the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of space beyond Neptune, is home to many dwarf planets, comets, and icy bodies. This area remains largely unexplored, but it holds clues about the early solar system and its formation. One of the most famous Kuiper Belt objects is Eris, which is even more massive than Pluto. Our solar system is full of wonders and mysteries, from the intense heat of Mercury to the icy winds of Neptune and the far reaches of the Kuiper Belt. Each celestial body has unique characteristics that make our cosmic neighborhood endlessly fascinating. As we continue to explore, who knows what other incredible facts we will uncover. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space facts. Until next time, keep looking up.